Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, just open the connection section and from here just tap on the airplane mode and enable airplane mode on your iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode and disable airplane mode on your iPhone. Now after that, in your control center, you will find the option of focus. Now just tap and hold on focus. And from here, if do not disturb mode or any other focus mode is enabled on your iPhone, just disable them from here. Now after that, just go to your home screen and open settings. In settings, you will find the option of sounds and haptics. Just tap on it. And from here, if silent mode is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it from here. And also make sure you increase the ringtone and alerts. Now after you do that, just go back to the main settings page and in settings just go to accessibility. Then tap on touch and from here you will find the option of call audio routing. Just tap on it. Now if call audio routing is on Bluetooth headset or speaker, just select automatic. Now after you select automatic, just tap on auto answer calls. Now if this option is enabled, just turn it off from here. Now after that, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from this list, just open the phone app. Now from here, you will find the option of screen unknown callers. Now if it is on silence or ask reason for calling, just select never. Now after you disable screen unknown callers, just tap on blocked contacts. Now from here, just check if you have accidentally blocked someone or not. Now after you do that, just go back to the main settings page and from here, just tap on screen time. And from here, just tap on communication limits. Now from here, just tap on during screen time and make sure you select everyone. After that, just go back and tap on during downtime. And from here, also select everyone. Now, after you enable both of these options, just go back to the main settings page, then go to General. Now, just tap on About, and from here, just check if there is any carrier update available. If there is one, it will say Update right here. Now, as you can see, I don't have any carrier update on my iPhone. If you have any carrier update, just tap on Update to update the carrier settings on your iPhone. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now to fix this issue, in the main settings page, just tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now if this also did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. And this is how you can fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.